Hi Nina, I wanted to talk about the recent issues we've had with inventory shortages. Last week, the resistor components were missing for 3 days, and it halted line BS production.
I'm aware of that, Alex. The issue came from a delay in our supply chain. Our vendor reported problems at customs, and the components were stuck.
We need a more effective inventory control system. We're relying too much on manual checks and it's leading to inaccurate stock levels.
I agree. I've been researching automated inventory tracking systems. They can help us monitor real-time inventory levels and generate shortage alerts.
That sounds promising. But we also need to set minimum stock thresholds. When we drop below a certain number, it should trigger a restock request.
That can be programmed into the system. Also, I propose we do weekly cycle counts to catch discrepancies earlier.
Good point. We should also review the lead time from our suppliers. 3 days without resistors caused a backlog that's going to take a week to fix.
We'll renegotiate the delivery terms and add a clause for urgent shipments. I'll also suggest keeping buffer stock for high-priority components.
Let's make a list of the critical components and define what constitutes a shortage for each.
I'll prepare a draft and include a safety stock strategy. We can review it with the procurement team.
Morning, Mike. Do you have a minute?
Yeah, what's up?
We just got an email from Delta Circuits. They're asking for an urgent shipment of 2000 PX45 units. They need it by this Friday.
Wait, this Friday? That's insane. That's what, 4 days?
Exactly. They're willing to pay extra for express delivery, but we weren't scheduled to ship that batch until the 21st.
Do we even have enough finished product?
Not yet. We have about 600 ready to go. The rest are in different stages of production.
So it's not just a logistics issue, we've got a production crunch too.
Right. I checked with the line team earlier. If we run night shifts and cut changeover time, we might hit 2000 by Thursday night.
That's tight. What about testing and packaging?
We'll need to parallel those steps with production. I'll need to coordinate testing as units come off the line.
Okay. Let's assume you can hit the numbers. Do you want me to look at express shipping options?
Yes. They requested air freight, preferably DHL. But if someone else can guarantee delivery by Friday evening, I'm open.
Alright, DHL has one premium slot left, pick up Friday 9 a.m., delivery by 6 p.m. same-day air.
Can they handle our volume?
They'll do it in 2 pallets. Total cost is around $4,200.
Alright, let me confirm with Delta. Hold that slot if you can.
They won't hold it without booking.
Book it. I'll get client confirmation ASAP.
Cool. I'll finalize the booking and prep the airway bill.
Let's also prep the commercial invoice and packing list in advance. If we finish boxing by Thursday, we can load early Friday morning.
Yep. I'll coordinate with warehouse on labels and pallet sizes.
Thanks. Let's keep everything on track.
Bad news, Anna. DHL just emailed. The Friday 9 a.m. slot is full. We missed it by 15 minutes.
You're kidding.
Nope. But UPS has an alternative. 8:30 a.m. pickup, same-day air, $4,600.
Book it. No time to go back and forth.
Already on it. I'll update the tracking link once it's active.
We're at 1,100 units packed. Another 600 in QA, and the last batch is on the line now.
You think we'll hit 2,000 by Thursday?
If we keep running overtime, yes. QA is the bottleneck now.